all this pop. I'm just drinking plain old water. Tasty. You guys up through? Congratulations! You have done it.
Yep.
Bye.
Candle. That one's on fire. Well, I can't. No, that's fine.
No, it's in recharge mode, but it only lasts 3 hours. That's why I wanted a new speaker for the night. Yeah, I'm not jumping to that. No. I got shorts on.
Mikey D threw an entire thing
That
of
was Mikey
fireworks
D.
into
It was
the
Michael D.
fire, and one of them came out and hit a
What
lady in
the
the eye.
heck?
Right here, I saw it happen.
Yep.
Another guy shot his
She was
thumb
sitting
off.
at the picnic table and it got her.
Did it go?
Your grandpa wanted to hide behind the tree, but he didn't know what behind the tree was.
It is just
Yeah.
absolutely amazing.
Grandpa's trying to get behind the tree, but he couldn't figure out which side of the tree was behind the tree.
Yep.
Move it.
And it's just amazing that the cops didn't come because she went there.
Ooh, that's some purple. Purple.
Well, I think she lied and said that they caught it.
That one isn't as big. I don't think it's the same one.
It stayed. Quit that.
What are you throwing? I think that's all they're supposed to do, maybe.
No. That's 3 in a row. The other thing was
Letty, I get back.
why?
Oh, what we could do.
They couldn't still go off. Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
True.
That's why you do it over the creek so you can kick them in. It's a safety precaution. If you're not sure if something is going to go boom, pull it into the creek. So if it does go boom,
There's a key.
there you are.
Hey. Neat. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna do some stuff.
Not gonna lie, I do like that sound.
When I make video games, I need to record that sound. Use it for something, I don't know what.
I can help that. Hang on.
I watched it
Back off, everyone.
yesterday.
That was pretty
We did a 2-part video getting people who does sound design for video games and having them listen and talk about classic and iconic sounds.
Run.
There's a plane up there.
Yeah, I saw it.
Disappointment.
That was cool. It was on the Pepsi can. Hey,
That one went flying.
I can see that.
I just wanted that much to give the rest to you. I like the plan.
Not very noble.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, we'll sit next to Randy.
Yeah, let me talk to you real quick.
Yeah, I think you should go talk to Dad. Come on.
Go talk to Dad.
Run. That was neat. So I had a strong flight.
I think we need to do those as a thing.
Okay.
Multiples at once.
Right.
Okay. Now, before we do that,
Two that were lying on, they were already on the bridge.
I'll give you
These
guys
10 to
grabbing
one.
my file.
What's your story?
I had it, but I never lit it. Wait, light them both at the same time.
I'll just say that for now.
Probably we. Yeah.
Somewhere around in there.
Jeez, Paul!
Blood off my head.
Be a big boy. Great Scott!
Coolest thing in hunting.
Kind of a thin line there. Respect the fire. But that's why it's a big boy thing.
It's working. Okay.
This Ichigo's visor
One exploded. Okay, Dad. Anyway, I have an idea. Hang on. I want you to be in here. Ah.
They've had them in their back room for 3 years.
There's one in the creek that never got lit.
I had ones in my pocket.
Turn the light off, dude. You're messing up on night vision.
Yeah, we can't
Oh.
see with your light on.
Alright.
Like legitly, that's you have to do this by firelight. By firelight.
Yeah.
Let your eyes adjust to us. You can actually see pretty well in the dark. Just takes
My
time for
phone
your eyes to
can't.
adjust. Your phone isn't your eyes.
Your phone's not designed for that.
I know what I'm doing when I get home from work. After breakfast. Yep.
Oh dear.
Where's the
Brown flowers.
Should be over there. There's a big. There they are.
There's a clock.
yeah, we will hit the clock soon.
Okay. nom.
A heavy metal version of Dancing Around the Clock. Like Team the Happy Days.
Okay.
Not death metal version, a metal version. There's a difference.
Hmm.
Death metal and metal.
I was eating chips.
Sound like you're trying to be death metal.
Kind of was. Or rather corn.
Uncle Paul.
Oops.
That was a pretty good one.
Yeah, you should do that more often. Actually, you should do that less often because I'll kill you.
No, might give you a mild burn,
Hey,
I'll still damage you.
I think I know how this clock works. You
Lydia?
like that?
Leave that alone.
Do that.
Lydia Antoinette Hayes.
Actually, full of yours.
Come here.
This is how I clap one-handed.
Good, Joe.
You're a dork. And this is a box covered in
What
plastic.
the hell is a bunghole? You are a bunghole. And so am I. There's only many more bungholes after me. Everybody else.
Christmas. It's Christmas in July. What's up with this song? Is that a song? Yeah. I know what this is gonna be called. Fun with fireworks. Plus chips. Made.
The fuse is about.
Cool.
This one's on fire.
Cool.
So just throw it in the fire to make more fire.
What kind of tanks these are?
Excuse me.
How many sodas have you had?
I don't know. How many sodas have you had?
Well, I just took this one away from Lydia, and it will make my
Michael.
second.
You know we've got
What?
some more.
You're a tank guy. What kind of tanks are these?
Excuse me.
You're not a tank guy?
Yeah, you hear that? You fill up on soda, you're not going to be able to have any s'mores.
Wait, we're gonna
But I like crouching.
You know?
And there's cake.
Maybe a,
Don't be a bunch of greedies or you're going to miss out.
Do we want to have them war at the same time?
That's what I'm doing.
You have a secondary lighter?
Michael, fire.
Lighter? Or do you want a light? I don't care.
You know, that's,
There's a lighter right here.
you know,
I'm not using.
you'll have all your 10 toes, 10 fingers, and 2 eyes. Nothing
It
burns.
happens.
Because I already.
No!
This.
Whoa! It turned against.
Okay, this one's aiming at us.
Burn! That wasn't,
Disappointing.
Right wins.
I said I'm looking for a happy.
You okay?
I'm okay. Still didn't get my heart though.
There's a dating sim when you date tanks. Do you know that?
What?
There's a dating sim for everything.
All-Star played it.
Hey, you can date normal Boots members. You can date pigeons.
Yeah.
You can date weird tentacle monsters.
O'clock now?
They played Jimi Hendrix's
Well, there we go. We're gonna do the clock now.
Oh boy! The grand finale.
This one's so off.
The twilight's last gleam, whose stripes and
Just like in Mario.
Time to see what this guy does.
It's gonna rewind and
That one's new.
come back up, and then we're gonna get to see fireworks all over again.
This ought to be fun.
I want you to stay over here, Mario. We don't know what this thing's gonna do.
The crazy clock.
You see how my fireworks.
Oh, did I? It's regular, but God damn.
Perfect timing.
That face, though. Ow, my nose!
Right? Man, I'm gonna get that as an alarm clock for someone.
Ow!
Hit the snooze! Hit the snooze button!
Turn it off! Turn it off!
This is where you go up and you just kick it.
That was fun.
Right?
Did you take a photo of that too?
Video.
Well, now I know why it's so heavy at the bottom. Keep it down.
Yeah.
23 bucks.
Really?
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Well, it's
Burn it!
half price.
Burn it to the ground!
46.
46.
So there's 23.
America.
Give me the house Wi-Fi.
Is it mine?
Yeah, it's yours.
And to get the photo too.
Rip and cluck.
Did you get a good shot of it, Tristan?
Yeah, I was right dab in the middle.
Oh yeah, I like
Send that to me.
I don't have Wi-Fi.
when you get home.
Just text it to me.
Poor guy.
Pretty
metal.
It's a pretty long video.
Get back. Gonna do something fun.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Okay.
Like a Houdini.
Yeah.
They gave me a roommate who was in
It's something butterfly.
That one's cool.
My God, they have 78 songs listed under their band.
who was
Uh-oh. Stand back.
and she's taking me with her.
I love those because they do.
Do you have any water?
Yeah, no.
Are you gonna try?
Uh,
That one's cool.
no, it's just beer in here. And over there it's just Pepsi.
We have not. I don't have root beer yet.
And root beer, but I'm looking for water.
You have to go up to the house for water.
No.
They used to play stuff like that.
They're high.
Let's see.
I can throw it higher than ever.
Yeah, but you might get burned.
Yeah.
So I got close enough to the empty
Throw it high.
Oh.
Chuck.
That had some backspin. I'm sorry about that.
It's about got Keaton.
And this is how Americans breathe oxygen.
Sorry about that.
Right, copyrighted music. Thank you for trying to get me sued.
I don't know, but I think I've lost mine.
Michael.
I'll get you a lighter. Here's a lighter. Here, lighter.
Anthony,
Are you sending off fireworks?
I want to try to hit all 4 of these.
Oh yeah, I've heard this before.
Pat, give me a hell
Come on! Maybe don't lie to you. Come on! You can do it! You can do it! Rip and pepperoni! Rip and pepperoni! Don't kill yourself! You have so much to live! They're both lit! And Doug, no, that's way too many of them.
Right?
3 hours later,
Mission accomplished.
nope, not done.
All lit, right?
Now light all the.
You got the.
Lydia gave them to me.
Thingies.
Oh.
I want to light them again. Throw them super high.
Well, you can't throw them, okay?
I know. I'm not going to throw them.
Yeah. How about this giant package? Screeching Star. Ooh, it's on some. Oh no.
There's something spinning.
Yeah, we'll do that later.
Yes, this one's yours. Here you go.
That guy, is he ever young? all my life, he always was 155 years old. And he always looks the same. It seems like he's always in his suit. With his round ring glasses and smoking big cigar or something.
He's like God mode.
God's not crazy.
Here, Lydia.
No,
Oh yeah, oh God.
with John Denver. John Denver was a
Oh, yeah. Keep going down there.
candidate. Met God and played the child. That's it. I've never seen the movie actually. I've seen bits of it.
How'd that happen?
Dude,
I
what was that? What was that about? Oh. Oh, Dios mío.
Here, put my kids in danger, please.
But I thought that's what Uncle for.
Lighter,
I mean, that's what you did to me in Paul.
that's brother.
No, no, I didn't. That Mikey D did that to all of us. Right.
Well, I'm looking for it right now. Not for the copyrighted music. Oh, here it is. Oh, or not.
That's one full.
That's the one I'm filming. Plus the trooper. Idiot.
Put on top of that one. Put on top of the tree. Put on top of the tree. Too late.
It's burning alive. Watch it. Hours later. Spin, spin, spin. You done yet? He's a trooper. Yay. And we're done here, I think.